it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and I'm just popping in really quick because I was kind of excited. Got this package in the mail today, and this is from Artisanthropy, which is one of my favorite discoveries for yarn purchases. And this, I don't actually know what's in this. I had entered a contest that they were running for National Crochet Day, and you had to submit a project or a creation that you made using some of their yarns. It was a social media contest, and I ended up winning. So I won a gift certificate to purchase fabrics, or yarns rather, from their shop. And so I just ordered their mystery bag at the price point for the gift certificate, because that way I figured, you know what, I love their stuff and I love the way they package it. So it just arrived in the mail. I'm very excited. So I'm going to open it so we can see. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I had made a mobius scarf. I wove it actually with some lino linen yarn that I got from Artisanthropy. Gorgeous. The color is called Petrol, and I had a bunch of fabrics, and I took some old silk dresses from the 80s I found in the thrift store, and I tore them into strips, into shreds, and then I wove it in. I made this really pretty mobius scarf. I'm including the video here, so if you don't know what I'm seeing, or you didn't get a chance to watch the video, then you can go ahead and take a look and see what I'm talking about. As a result, oh my God, I just took a glance and oh my God, so excited. I just happened to look down for that split second. But as a result, I ended up winning the contest, and people had some gorgeous, gorgeous creations. So I was so excited and so humbled that I actually won. And my gift certificate was worth $25 as a prize. So I'm not looking. I'm going to show you guys before I look at it. See, I'm not looking. See? But this was my mystery pack. So I ordered I think I might have had to pay a little bit for this because it was, my amount was $25. Now, okay, so we're going to play a little game. I have my eyes closed, as you can see, and I'm feeling the yarn. And I'm telling you what I think this is over here. I think this is some Noro yarn. I just have a feeling. I'm going to tear it open. How fun is this? You guys get to see it before I do. Okay, this has to be, it's a Noro. I know it's a Noro. I just feel it. I can feel it by the yarn. I don't know what the colors are, but I'm Noro. Am I right? Is it Noro? Am I right? Comment below. Am I? Yes? I was right. It's a Noro yarn. Oh, it's a Kensachi or Kenzashi. And I actually have some of this. So now I have more to make something amazing. So this is part of my, isn't that gorgeous? Like, take a look at that. Don't you just want to like crawl inside of that? It's so squishy and it's so gorgeous and it's so beautiful. Look at this. I just did a video not long ago. I got some yarns from them, and I got some Kensachi Noro yarn, which is amazing. If you don't know what Noro yarn is, you should. Please join the club because it's amazing. It comes from Japan. Okay, I'm opening up the next thing. And I know this is a skein of something. Feels like it's a sock weight. Yes, definitely is like a sock weight yarn. I have no idea what the colors are. This seems like an awful lot of really gorgeous, beautiful yarn for $25. What is this? Oh, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's called Flames. Hello. Gorgeous. It is a hand-painted sock yarn from Peru. It is Color Story yarns, and it is 75% superwash wool and 25% nylon. Is this not gorgeous? I'm telling you guys. So they have these mystery bags, and you can choose them from all different denominations. So let's say that you've got a friend who is a knitter or crocheter or something like that, and you're trying to think like, what's the best gift to give them? Seriously, this is the second mystery bag that I have gotten from them, and it's beautiful. And the Noro, I mean, this right here this is like a 30, because this is one of their big skeins, and this is like a, I don't remember what the cost is on this, but it's definitely more than what I paid just for this one skein alone. And this Noro is mohair, 30% mohair, 30% silk, 22%, I believe it's wool. Yes, wool. And then there's like 14% viscose and like 3% polyamide. It's got a teeny tiny little bit of stretch. Okay, look at how gorgeous that is just in the camera. See the vibrant greens and limes. So I'm going to be doing a project with this. I don't know what it is yet. I have some Noro books. Oh, I think I'm going to make just like a big, beautiful, chunky sweater with this and just swim in these colors. And this is amazing. I love this flame. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm still not looking at what is in my bag. I know there's two. I think that's right? There's nothing in here. So that's gone. So I have two more skeins. This is a fun game. I like this. So this one, definitely a fingerling. It's definitely a hank or a skein, right? It feels like it's got some wool going on. I don't know what the colors are. I don't know what purples and greens. Oh, I said green is Dolly green. Oh, that was easy. This is Artisanthropy Fibre Down. It's a sports weight merino wool superwash. Lovely. It's a weight of a 2. So this is 291 yards. All right, I'm going to include the link below. You guys have to check these people out. Now, this is actually Artisanthropy yarn, and it's from, they're based out of Canada, Whitby, Canada. So this looks like it's from that area. So I don't know if somebody made this specifically for them, but it's called Fibre Down, and it's amazing. It's beautiful, and I said greens, and I love this green, and I actually think I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I think I'm going to weave this into my Adventurous Scarf by Tony Lipsy for our road trip that we have coming up. Okay, last one, and I'm not looking. This definitely feels more, it still's probably a 2. Definitely a hank. Still feels a little bit not as soft, so I gotta say there's a wool going on in here. I didn't tell you the contents on the other one. I don't know what the colors are, but I'm just going to say my favorite colors are purples, some reds, maybe some blues. How did I do that? Okay, I swear I didn't even look. Got the purples going on right there. Got some greens. Mostly the purples and the greens. Eco Paint Decay. It's 100% organic wool. It's dyed with GOTS certified products, which is good. That's the safe kind of dye. It's safe for the skin, and it's also very good in like a permanent, it stays dye. And this has 350 meters. That's quite a lot. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, it was totally fun, by the way, doing a mystery and not looking at what I was getting. We'll have to do that again. This one here is 291 yards, and it feels like it's, yeah, exactly. I was going to say, it feels like it's a wool. It's 100% superwash merino wool sport weight. Okay, so let me just tell you, if you want some really nice, beautiful quality yarn at good prices, you must check out Artisanthropy. It's a little store in Whitby, Canada. They have a storefront, but they have this really dynamic, very, very good online presence. And I'm just going to plug the heck out of them. I mean, I got a gift certificate for this, but I don't remember what I paid. I think I just paid like for shipping on this. I must have paid something, because there's no way I got all this for just $25. There's just no way. Because this is beautiful, good quality yarn. So we've had this conversation before. I ain't got no problem with acrylics. I've used my share of acrylics. But when you are doing like a project for yourself or clothing, something that's going to be wearing up against you, please do yourself the favor, do yourself the joy, and make something for yourself that is amazing and gorgeous and luxurious and using natural fibers. There is such a huge difference. I know you're like, oh, I can't afford it. But I'm telling you, when you can find these things on sale, you can get it like as cheap or even less than an acrylic yarn. I mean, you all see I just did a video just yesterday on Lion Brand, the organic cotton. I got that for $2 a skein. I made a granny square vest or like a tank top kind of a thing. And I think I paid like maybe $10 for the supplies. I mean, forget the time, but we don't include the time that it takes us to make something because you can't include that. But you owe it to yourself. You deserve, for everything that you do for everybody else around you, you deserve to have some beautiful, beautiful yarns, you know, swimming around your body. So do yourselves a favor, get yourself some really nice sock yarn, or some nice beautiful cotton, or some silk, or a superwash merino, or I mean like this gorgeous babe. I mean something. Do yourself a favor. You deserve it. You tell yourself that I said it's okay. You know, if you want to make yourself a beautiful pair of socks, go for it. Personally, I've never made socks. It's not that I'm afraid of it. I think socks are really better suited for being knit, which is fine. As you know, I mean, I do a lot of knit. I mean, hello, Kimberly with Knit for Brains is a thing. However, it takes a long time to knit. I mean, everybody has their forte, right? I think for me, it's a lot of, I've been making a lot of garments this year, a lot of really nice garments. But you can make yourself a beautiful cowl or a scarf or something. I mean, you do you. If you want to make some socks, by all means. But with something like this, and it's so soft, I don't know that I want to feel it in my shoes. I think I would rather be feeling it like up against my skin, around my neck, and some beautiful colors and things like that. But oh gosh, I just love Artisanthropy. I really, really, really do. And there is no affiliate thing here. I mean, I entered a contest and I won. I've bought things from them before and you've seen it and I've always paid for it. So there's no association with them except that I really love them. And I'm very excited and happy that I think I found them from another online crocheter called Bag a Day Crochet. I'm going to shout her out because she turned me on to these guys, and I have to say thank you because I absolutely love. You're not going to find this at your Joann's and your Michaels, and you know, even like on Amazon, right? But what a treat to come home and find this in the mail. And I am so even more excited that I was humbled. I'm so humbled because the projects that people submitted were extraordinary, and I had no business winning. Except that, you know, I mean, everybody, I guess somebody has to win, but that would have been a very hard decision. It was whoever got the most votes. But some of the stuff was phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. So I'll include the video of what I did for the contest. But go and check them out. I'm going to include the link below to Artisanthropy, but please go and check them out. They're really wonderful. Support your LYS, your local yarn store. Give them some love, even if it's just, you know, like a little skein here or there, or if you just want to treat yourself or maybe put on your birthday list, hey, I really want a little surprise birthday, and because you really have no idea what you're getting. And let me tell you, when they can stock gorgeous yarns like these, I don't have to choose because I know that whatever I'm going to get is going to be like the most beautiful choice in colors and yarns. So this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Make sure you put the Kimberly with Knit for Brains because there's somebody else out there doing a podcast called Knit for Brains. But that's not me. There's a lot of love out there, but this is where you come, where we do tutorials and we do mystery bags. And I think we might have to do some giveaways soon because I got a lot of yarn. But just come back and take a look at more of this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching and for telling your friends about us because the numbers are growing. And I've been having people comment saying, oh, my friend told me to check you out. So thank you. And thank you to Bag a Day Crochet for turning me on to Artisanthropy because I could not be happier. There's a couple other places that she's turned me on to, and I've done, have to do some thank yous and some shout outs to that too. So anyways, this was my mysteries bundle for entering this wonderful contest and winning. So again, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, mystery bundle from Artisanthropy. I will see you soon.